Saab built fighter jets for the Swedish military. Then it decided to make cars. It worked, until it didn't. By the 1980s, Saab had a cult following. Engineers loved it. Drivers trusted it. Then in 1990, General Motors acquired a 50% stake in Saab, gaining full ownership by 2000. Over time, many fans felt the brand's distinct character began to fade. By 2011, Saab ran out of cash. It couldn't pay workers. Production stopped completely. In December 2011, Saab filed for bankruptcy. Over 60 years of history, gone. Did corporate ownership contribute to Saab's decline, or was the brand already struggling? Drop your verdict below.